Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is shopkelcys. In today's video, I will be showing you guys a simple hair treatment that you could apply to your hair once a week, and it's super helpful in promoting hair growth. It nourishes and protects your hair as well as help thicken it. So let's just get right ahead into the video. The first ingredient is banana. Bananas contain silica and they help to synthesize collagen, which makes your hair stronger and thicker. It's also rich in potassium and fatty acids, and they help soften and protect your hair as well as protect your hair's natural elasticity. So I'm just going to go ahead and break it up and put it into my blender. I went ahead and added about 40 grams of my aloe vera juice. The plant works just as well. Aloe vera has great moisturizing effects and it helps to promote hair growth by balancing your pH. It has vitamins that help to protect and nourish your hair cells, and it's also adds shine and luster to your hair while easily penetrating your hair and scalp. I went ahead and added my aloe vera juice to the bananas that I had in my blender, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it. I didn't add water because I wanted more of a smoothie consistency, and adding any extra water would just make it too watery for the treatment that I'm going for. Bananas do have seeds that would get stuck in your hair if you go ahead and apply it just like that. So I'm going to use a clean stocking cap. You can use a clean cloth or a clean sock. And I'm going to go ahead and strain the seeds out of my mixture. And as you can see, they're really tiny, but they can get easily stuck in your hair. Next, I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil and grapeseed oil are two of my favorite types of oils, mainly because they're able to actually penetrate your hair shaft. Avocado oil is rich in folic acid, and what folic acid does is help to thicken your hair. Next, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant and emollient. What humectants does is that it pulls water from the atmosphere, even in like low humidities, so that really helps to keep your hair moisturized. It's also an emollient in the fact that it helps to smoothen your hair follicles, adding shine to even dull hair. So I just went ahead and mixed everything all together, and we're going to begin the process of applying it to our hair. I'm going to have a spray bottle as well as use this treatment. I had it sit in the refrigerator for about 2 days, mainly because I was busy and it turned a little bit brown, but it's still useful. So if you have this left over, you could put it in the refrigerator for about a week and still be able to use it. As you guys already know, my lucky number when it comes to hair is 4. I divide my hair into 4 sections and I divide each section into 4 twists. And I'm going to go ahead and apply each treatment by twist by twist. I first spray that section of my hair with water, and then I massage it a little bit to make sure that it's a bit tangle free before I go in there and apply the treatment. You don't want to use too much water because then you're going to have a drippy type of situation going on. So just enough to make sure that your hair is damp, and then apply the treatment, work it in, make sure you work it in, make sure every strand is getting some love, and then just go ahead and twist it, put it away, and that's basically what I'm going to do. So just keep watching this part and I'll see you in the other section of this video. I wanted to show this part because I noticed that it's a bit hard to see the treatment in the other, like in the back of my hair, so this side view maybe is better. But when you apply it, make sure your roots are also getting some love, not just your hair strands. So you're occasionally gonna see me using like the face of my palm or like the tips of my finger tips, and then just massaging my scalp, and make sure your whole head is covered, your whole head and your whole hair. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that the middle part of my hair is my most problem areas because I used to straighten that part the most when I would get sequins. So that part was like really damaged and I had to cut it. So it's shorter than all the rest of my hair. So it's always a bit awkward, and that part always gets the most love. Once I'm done with the whole treatment, I go ahead and add like a plastic cap. You could use a heat cap or whatever, and I let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I go in and wash it out. So as you can see here, my hair has been washed out. This is what it's looking like. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Castor moisturizing leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. I just wanted to show you guys like a clip of how it looks like, but I'll go into like more detail about my moisturizing routine in my next video. Like I already filmed it, so I want to explain more and go into more detail, but I just wanted to show you guys like a snapshot of what it looks like. This leave-in conditioner moisturizes my hair for 3 days. I did do like an experiment where I went a week without remoisturizing because my customers said they could go a week after one application, so I just wanted to put it to the test. And so you guys will find out in the next video on how it went. That's all, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my content, please consider subscribing. You never have to, but it would mean the world to me if you do. And yeah, consider also giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and it could also help boost it to someone who needs natural hair advice. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, I'm going to go ahead and link my products here. You could get it on my website. We have our moisturizing leave-in conditioner that I mentioned in this video. I also have my Moringa Plus Fenugreek Deep Conditioning Butter. I have my Brain Gush Ayurvedic Oil. I have the Hair Growth Serum, which is made from hibiscus. And I also have my Aloe Vera Oil. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!